Dali. Sige, go. Say it.
Hi everybody.
Sige, go.
You want to watch our show? Really? You want can just watch our show. Hi.
Okay, so this is my this is my first boy. This is Frank. Introduce yourself. Introduce yourself.
Bamba mo din talk to us.
Okay. Just say
So,
I am.
I am Franklin 1R Imoy.
Who is your mother?
Josephine Imoy.
Josephine Imoy. How about your father?
Papa Francis Imoy.
Okay. Okay. So this time we're going to learn something that is educational. And okay, for boys, how about what is the Cebuano of shoes? Sapatos.
Mas kuya lagi si Bambam.
How about slippers?
Salilas.
Chinelas. Okay. How about spoon?
Kutsara.
Kutsara. House.
Balay.
House. Balay. Okay. School.
Eskwelahan.
Eskwelahan. Church.
Di ko kabalo.
Simbahan. Okay, so that's all for this time. See you next meeting. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Next church is Bambam.